If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2017 Chevrolet Traverse LT in Mosaic Black. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 26,000 miles on the odometer, Chevrolet MyLink infotainment system, rear backup camera, SiriusXM radio, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, third row seating, all powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5195A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.